The government of Timor-Leste, together with Central Bank of Timor-Leste and development partners, officially launched the Central Registry of Information on Movable Guarantees. The launch ceremony was attended by Vice Prime Minister Francisco Calguarilay, the Governor of Central Bank, members of the government, banking sector representatives, and development partners. Approved by Parliament under the legal regime for movable guarantees, the new online system allows individuals, micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, farmers, fishermen, and young entrepreneurs to use movable assets such as machinery, vehicles, equipment, and inventory as a collateral for bank credit. By establishing an electronic, transparent, and public registry, the initiative aims to reduce credit risk, lower borrowing costs, provide legal certainty, expand bank lending to the private sector, and support national economic diversification and job creation.